Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you guys? I hope that you're all fine and doing well. So my dear friends, today I'm back again with another beautiful, another gorgeous and stunning collection of stiletto shoes designs. So in this video you will see the most beautiful and most stylish formal wear stiletto shoes, and this is a very useful collection for you guys. You will get many beautiful ideas, many beautiful designs from this video. I hope that you're gonna love this collection. All the shoes designs are so amazing, and these are high heel shoes. So for those ladies who love to wear high heels, this is the best collection for them. I hope that they are gonna love this collection of beautiful stiletto shoes. And guys, I hope that this collection is gonna be very useful for you, because all the designs are so amazing, so beautiful and stylish. So this collection is my favorite, and I hope that this collection is gonna be your favorite too. And just keep on watching this video till the end. The most beautiful stiletto shoes designs you will find in this video, and I hope that you are gonna love this collection of beautiful stiletto shoes. All the designs are so amazing, and I have uploaded many collections on beautiful heel designs, high heel designs, low heel designs, and different type of heels designs. So you can visit my channel and check the previous collections on my channel. I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. Many useful ideas you will get from my videos, many beautiful designs you will get from my channel. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, latest shoes design, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. All the designs are so amazing. So guys, if you are loving these designs, so please do also like my video. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And my dear friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel. Which type of videos are more useful for you? Tell me all this in the comment section, and please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.